it's possible to create a beautiful herb planter for the autumn. And it's the perfect time to plant hardy herbs to go through the colder months. On a beautiful autumn day, I was invited to a local gourmet restaurant to plant up their herb garden. And in this video, I take you with me behind the scenes and I show you how you can create your own herb garden in a container.
Let's get right into it, guys. How do you plant a herb planter for autumn? Well, the first thing is you need to think about what the herbs are going to be growing in. You need to use a really good, free-draining growing medium. That's absolutely vital. The sunshine is going to be a lot less as we go into the autumn, and we want to make sure that the herbs can drain freely. They don't want to be sitting in water. That's really, really important. I'm using a free-draining growing medium with some extra grit added into it to make sure that the herbs can drain freely. I'm also using a half whiskey barrel planter. These are really fashionable at the minute, but they come with a bit of a warning because as you've cut the barrel planter, they're going to warp a little bit and some gaps are going to emerge between the slats. You'll see what I mean when you come to do it. It's a really good idea to actually line the inside of the planter just to make sure it doesn't lose too much moisture, while simultaneously drilling some holes at the bottom of the planter to make sure that the growing medium can drain at the bottom where it should be. Filling this planter with a really free draining medium, as you can see, working a bit of grit into it, really good quality compost, always use the best one that you can afford. This is the fuel that your plants are going to be growing in over the next few months, so make sure you look after them. Once you've got your planter filled, this is the exciting bit. What do you plant in there? The truth is, I can't tell you what you're going to use. I can tell you what Harborne Kitchen are going to be using in their fabulous autumnal menu over the next few weeks. This is all about autumn. This is all about the strong, beautiful flavours of autumn. This is all about varieties that are going to inspire the chefs that work here, but they're going to look beautiful as well. We eat with our eyes, right? And so the first planting design I'm going to share with you today is inspired by them. When you're planting any planter, I would always suggest roughly planning out your design before you actually plant the herbs. Come with me, I'm going to show you what I mean. So actually keeping the plants in their pots, and you can play around with the layout as is. And I'm looking at planting some purple sage along the back, some tall barbecue rosemary. That's barbecue rosemary, which has got a smoky flavour to it. How cool is that? And along the front, some low-growing varieties of thyme. Lemon curd thyme, it really does smell of lemon curd. And also Foxley thyme, which is low-growing with a more traditional thyme flavour. Some of you might be thinking, Andy, you've overfilled this planter. But I follow a very, very simple rule, especially when I'm working in a commercial environment like this. We need to get the maximum amount of flavour for these chefs. And these plants are going to be growing much more slowly over the coming weeks. The nights are drawing in already. So I overfill the planter in autumn and underfill it in spring, reflecting that slower growth rate.
Now this just might be the most important part of the video, because having planted your beautiful herbs and created a herb garden, whether it's in a whiskey barrel planter or in the ground, you're wondering how you're going to care for them. And the number one question that people always ask is, are these herbs hardy? Is the cold going to kill them? And it's really important to understand that I've designed this barrel planter and filled it with hardy herbs, herbs that are resistant to the cold, herbs that actually will enjoy sitting outside in the cold. For herbs like rosemary, thyme, sage, don't protect the plants too much. You'll actually do more harm than good by covering them in a cloche, putting them in a greenhouse. They enjoy a cold snap, and the slow-grown foliage will have an amazing strong flavour. Put the planter in the brightest possible location where it will get the most sunlight, and make sure that you keep an eye on your planter if you plant it during the early to mid-autumn period, as it will require a little bit of water. October and November you can still get some sunny days, the weather can be dry, and you might need to give your plants a little extra drink. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, guys. I can't wait to see what beautiful treats the chefs create with this herb barrel planter.